So today we are going to discuss surface areas and volume, section D, type of sum, 4-mark sum. So already we have practiced this type of sum, already we discussed this type of sum. But there it is given we need to find the height of the water, I mean the what is raised water level in the cylinder. But here we need to find the number of marbles. We are going to find the number of marbles which are going to be dropped in the cylindrical vessel. So it's easy only. I will teach you the easiest way of the cancellation to get the number of marbles. So before proceeding this, subscribe this channel, click the bell button. So let us continue. So first let us write the given things. So given two things are given, marbles and cylinder. First one is marbles particle, marble, then cylinder. See, marble diameter is given, diameter is equal to 1.4 centimeter. I will take D1. So R1 is equal to 0.7 centimeter, divided by 2 you will get R1, 0.7 centimeter. Cylindrical beaker of diameter, that is D2, 7 centimeter. See, the cylindrical beaker which containing some water. Initial it has some water in the cylinder. Now we need to find the number of marbles that should be dropped into the beaker so that the water level raised by 5.6 centimeter. So we need to find the number of marbles so that the water level raises up to this. Water level raises up to this. But this height is given 5.6 centimeter. It's not question mark. So there it's still given 5.6 centimeter. 5.6 centimeter. So while carrying the units we need to write carefully, else we may go wrong. So first you have to write the given particular so that it will be easy for you to substitute in this solution. So now I'll just show you one demo. So you can imagine the initial water level in this cylindrical container here up to this. This is the initial water level in the container. Now we are going to draw number of marbles, few marbles. So right now I don't have marbles. So you can imagine is I'm going to drop a chenna so that it is in the shape of, you can imagine the cylindrical marble. So I'm going to drop, see, few marbles. So already we have practiced this type of sum. See, I'm going to drop a few marbles. So again I am going to drop some. See, again I am dropping. See, water level is increasing. See, again I am dropping. See, water level increases up to here. See, water level increases. This height is given 5.6 centimeter. This height is given 5.6 centimeter. That means what is the number of marbles which is dropped in the cylindrical container? So we need to find the number of marbles. So the logic is the volume of number of marbles that will give you the raised volume. Volume of the total marbles which is equal to the raised volume. I can repeat one more time. Volume of the total marbles which we dropped in the cylindrical container, that is equal to the volume of the water raised in the cylindrical container. So we need to find the number of marbles. So this number of marbles is equal to, so volume of the increased volume divided by volume of one marble. To get the number of marbles, so let us divide this volume, because this increased shape, that is also in the form of a cylinder, because this water is it is poured into the cylindrical container, so that this height of water also, it is in the shape of a cylinder. So this cylinder, this volume is equal, this volume divided by volume of one marble, so that we will get the number of marbles. So let us proceed. See R2, this is R1, this is D2 is 7, so R2 is equal to 7 by 2 centimeter. So R2 square and H we are going to substitute, and volume of one marble, that is in the shape of a sphere marble, it is given in the sphere. So now the volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi R1 cube. Now let us simplify the formula before substitution. See, I will just cancel this. Now R2 7 by 2. So it is 4 by 3. 3 when it goes that side, it will go to the numerator. And R1 is 0.7. 0.7 we can write 7 by 10 centimeter. 0.7 we can write 7 by 10 centimeter. So 7 by 10 into 7 by 10 into 7 by 10. Now this 7 by 2, I will write a fraction itself into 7 by 2 into 5.6, I can write 56 by 10. Now these three tens, when it goes up, it will go to the numerator. So we are getting 3 into 50, so that which is equal to 150 marbles. So we are getting the final answer is 150 marbles. Therefore we can write the final answer, therefore number of marbles is equal to 150. So this you can expect in 4 marks. Thank you.